Good afternoon, children. In CBSE book, one important question comes. The question is, small intestine is the site for complete digestion and absorption. Justify the statement. How will you justify? In previous classes, we have read that small intestine is very large, 6 meters long. It is divided into 3 parts: anterior duodenum, middle jejunum, and posterior ileum. Now, the digestion in duodenum, you have seen that duodenum receives digestive enzymes of 2 major glands. One is liver and another one is pancreas. So we will see the liver. It secretes bile juice, it is bile salts, and the function of bile salt is that this bile is alkaline in nature or basic in nature, so it gets mixed with acidic food and make the food alkaline, so that other intestinal juice act on the food. Second, bile juice convert fat into emulsified fat. Emulsification of fat means fat is ready for further digestion, means fat changes into fat globules, fat droplets, छोटे छोटे ड्रॉपलेट्स या बूंद में बदल जाता है और ये फर्दर डाइजेशन के लिए रेडी होता है. If your liver is not functioning well, doctor advise you not to eat fatty substance or the substance which is rich in fat. So this is about liver. No enzyme, only bile juice is secreted from liver and it acts on fat, convert fat into emulsified fat. Next, come to the point, pancreas. Pancreas is again a major endocrine as well as exocrine gland. Pancreas क्या है? Endocrine gland as well as exocrine gland है. Exocrine gland means it has duct and through duct, नली से through duct से ये क्या निकालता है? Pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice is rich in 3 digestive enzymes, means it secretes 3 digestive enzymes: pancreatic amylase, trypsin, and lipase. Pancreatic amylase for carbohydrate, trypsin for protein, pepsin हम लोग पढ़े थे in stomach, अभी हम लोग याद रखेंगे pepsin, trypsin and erepsin. So trypsin by pancreas, which act on protein, convert protein into simple form of proteins, that is peptones and peptides, and then lipase, which act on fat. So in this way, we have seen these topics. Then ileum has some specialized cells, means inner wall of ileum has some glandular cells or specialized cells which secrete intestinal juice. Another name for intestinal juice is succus entericus, and it contains a number of enzymes and complete digestion takes place here. You can see in the diagram, the small intestine is highly coiled टिब्यूलर, तुम देख रहे हो, हाईली क्वाइल्ड है, टिब्यूलर है और बहुत लंबा है फॉर कंप्लीट डाइजेशन। तो इंटेस्टिनल जूस सिक्रीट अ नंबर ऑफ एंजाइम, maltase for maltose, sucrase for sucrose, and lactase for lactose. And these disaccharides, कौन-कौन है disaccharide? Maltose, sucrose, lactose changes into glucose. Glucose is the unit structure of carbohydrate. Means complete digestion takes place here. हो गया digestion किसका? Carbohydrate का. Next, for peptones and peptides, means for small molecules of protein, they secrete erepsin. Erepsin changes into erepsin convert protein into amino acids, and lipase for fat, and fat gets converted into fatty acid and glycerol. So here complete digestion takes place. Now villi, you can see, they are, you can see on the screen, villi are finger-like projections which increases. Jitender, battery running low. Okay. So villi you can see on the screen. It is villi plural hai. So villi are finger-like projections present in the small intestine, especially in the region of ileum, and it increases surface area for absorption. Villi ka villi has two major functions. क्या है दो मेजर फंक्शन? नंबर वन, इट इंक्रीजेस सरफेस एरिया फॉर एब्जॉर्प्शन. ये क्या कर रहा है? फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन है, सरफेस एरिया क्या बढ़ा रहा है? फॉर एब्जॉर्प्शन. और सेकंड, villi is richly supplied with blood vessels. villi blood vessels से supplied है और these blood vessels absorb glucose, amino acid, fatty acid, and glycerol, and carry these digested food to all part of our body. So this is about absorption. And next step for nutrition, we have assimilation. As in assimilation, we have read that during assimilation, body utilize absorb food for their function, like providing energy for growth and development. यहाँ तुम देख सकते हो विलाई किस तरह से रिचली सप्लाइड है ब्लड वेसल से. रेड जो दिख रहा है वो ब्लड वेसल है और ब्लू जो है वो है विलाई, विलस. ठीक है, तो इट इज रिचली सप्लाइड विद ब्लड वेसल्स ऑल्सो. ब्लड वेसल से सप्लाइड है. अब ये क्या करेगा? ब्लड वेसल ग्लूकोज एब्सॉर्ब करेगा, अमाइनो एसिड एब्सॉर्ब करेगा, फैटी एसिड एंड ग्लिसरॉल एब्सॉर्ब करेगा, और इस तरह से ये पूरे बॉडी में हम लोगों का पहुंचाता है. और अब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे एसिमिलेशन. सो दीज blood vessels, when carry these food particles to each and every part of our body. So in the presence of these food material, तुम लोग पढ़े हो, in mitochondria what happens? Oxidation of glucose, and which provide energy. Oxidation of glucose होता है और हमें energy मिलती है. So we eat food for getting energy. Energy मिला. Then this absorbed food is used for growth and development. ये किसके लिए भी necessary है? Growth and development. Then It is used for other biological activities, means for the formation of enzymes, hormones, etc. So for different biochemical activities, these absorbed food is needed. तुम जो अमाइनो एसिड खा रहे हो उसी को यूटिलाइज करता है बॉडी और क्या बनाता है, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एंजाइम्स. अभी जितना भी एंजाइम हम लोग पढ़े हैं, एंजाइम्स आर प्रोटीनस इन नेचर. वो किसका बना हुआ है, प्रोटीन का बना हुआ है. और वो क्या काम करता है, इट act on complex food substances and changes complex food substances into simpler form. तो ये एंजाइम का काम है. So this is about assimilation, and then egestion, undigested food is removed through anus, and this is known as egestion. So in this way we have completed human digestive system और न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमन बीइंग. ये हम लोगों का आज खत्म हो गया. You have in page, on the page number 101, some blueprints are there. Last question contains how small intestine, how do small intestine designed for एब्जॉर्प्शन. तो यही हम लोग विलाई के बारे में बोलेंगे कि विलाई आर फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस which increases surface area for absorption, and then villi perform two major functions. First one is they increases surface area, and second one they are supplied with blood vessels, and these blood vessels absorb food or simplest type of food.